Hello everyone, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro to add a new key for 2012 Toyota Prado. First, we need to prepare K518 Pro OBD communication cable and original car key and a new key to be programmed.
Now, we plug an OBD communication cable. Select Demo and Remote. Choose Toyota. Select from Type, IMO. Type 3. Add key. The security light isn't bright. This key is a master key. Insert the programmed master key and switch ignition on. Insert the key to be programmed and do not turn on the ignition switch. Click OK. Wait for the security light goes off. It takes about 1 minute. The security light is off. Click OK. Programming complete. Open the door. Insert and pull out the key twice. Open and close the door twice. Insert the key again. Open and close the door twice. Insert the original car key. Close the doors. Turn on the ignition. Turn off the ignition. Pull out the key. Press and hold the unlock and unlock buttons at the same time. If there is no response, press again. Press and hold the lock and unlock keys simultaneously for 2 to 3 seconds with the other key. Then long press the unlock button. The key remote control programmed successfully. Key programming successful. Let's try it. Can the key start the vehicle normally? The first key. The first key starts the vehicle successfully. The second key. The second key starts the vehicle successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. The first key locks the car and unlocks it. The second key locks the car and unlocks it. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed a new key for this car successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more sprite ahead. See you next time.